Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin E capsules for hair. Start by washing hands and piercing a capsule with a clean needle. Then squeeze oil into a small bowl and mix with a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba in a 1:3 ratio for safe dilution. Gently part hair and apply the diluted vitamin E oil directly to the scalp using fingertips, massaging in slow circular motions for 5 to 10 minutes to promote blood flow. Leave on 30 minutes to overnight based on comfort, then shampoo thoroughly to avoid residue and repeat once or twice weekly for best results. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and like, it really helps the channel. Quick recommendation. On another note, the new Kindle Paperwhite makes reading relaxed and portable, perfect for those calm hair care evenings. It's lightweight and easy to hold while you let an oil treatment work. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Use diluted vitamin E cautiously and track your scalp's reaction over a few applications. Avoid combining with strong topical treatments without advice. If irritation occurs, discontinue and seek guidance. Remember, topical oil complements a balanced diet and gentle hair care routine for long-term scalp and hair health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.